Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Info Roshan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the free certification course provided by the TCS iON. If you don't know about the TCS iON, so you can see here TCS iON a unit of TATA Consultancy Services and it focused on empowering people and organization with tech-led solutions. So friend, currently they are providing the free certification course on career enhancement and you can see here you will get this type of certificate also and it is a very good opportunity for all the working professionals, college going students and the freshers to take this course and advance in their career. And friend, this is the sample certificate similarly you will get after the completion of the course. And friend, one of the very important thing here you can see they have given this course absolutely free for the limited time, so you have to take the grab this opportunity and take the advantage here. So you can see here we are going to check about this course now. So I will provide the link in the video description box from where you can easily access it. So let's talk about this course. So you can see here in this course you will learn the importance of personal development skills, how to draft an effective mail with an appropriate subject line, and how to actively participate in a group discussion and make an impression. Friend, because if you are going to take the interview there will be chances that there is a group discussion, so you have to clear it. And you can see here the importance of non-verbal and verbal communication. So this course will also help you to get the job as well as how you will perform your work in the corporate culture. So it will help you. And you can see the course duration is given 9 weeks, that is a total requirement of 18 hours, and the course is available in English language and it is a online self-paced. And let's talk about this course. Like you will learn on the soft skills, which aims to enhance the personality development skills, and you can access 9 individual courses under this consolidated program. And we are going to check all these 9 courses also here. And the package covers basic interpersonal skills, non-verbal, verbal, and written communication, and how to attend interview, means how to behave in interview, how you will give the answers, how the interviewer asks questions. So all these things you will learn, and you will also learn the business and social etiquettes. So friend, once you join the company, then how you will behave, what is your manner. So all these things you will learn here, means how to talk with your colleagues, your bosses, and the management. So all these things you will learn here. And who would benefit, you can see students and the freshers who are preparing to take up employment, and the working professional and the business person will also benefit here. So the courses include, you can see here, like telephone etiquettes, means how to talk on the telephone, because once you join the company, then you have to talk with the your colleagues and the customers via telephone. So you should know how to talk. Then you can see write effective resume and cover letter. And friend, once you apply for the job, then you have to make the resume, and along with the resume you have to apply the cover letter. Basically the cover letter is demanded by the MNC companies, so you should know what will be written on the cover letter, what skills or the your achievement will be mentioned in the cover letter. So you will learn here. And the presentation skills, and presentation skill is a very important, friend, because once you join the company, then you have to do the presentation in front of your management and the managers and the colleagues. So you should know how to make the presentation, how to present it, because once you join the company, you will do the work. Then you have to during the increment or the time, you have to present what you have done in the last 6 months or the 1 year. So you should know about your presentation skills also. And after the means once you join the company, then there is a 3 or 6 months probation period, and during your confirmation you have to do the presentation also, that what achievement you have done in the last 6 months. So the presentation skills are very important here. And then introduction to the soft skill, it is very important, because you will talk with the persons in different. Then you can see impress with your interview skills. Then stand out in a group discussion, which you have discussed earlier. Then email etiquettes, it is also very important, because there is a day to day basis, various types of email will send, and on which you have to do the reply. And you have to make the follow up email. Then the if you are in the sales, then you have to provide your company details. So you should know how to draft it, so you will learn here. Then the communication skills, so how to communicate, you know about this. So this course will help you to increase your communication skills. Then business etiquettes, so how you will talk, means one company to other company in the business things, so you will learn here. And all this course is available in English language only, so you can see there will be no prerequisites. Only need is that you should know basic about the English language. Then it, and friend, if you some of the questions, take this, how you will get a certificate on completing this package course. So you will not get a one certificate for this, you will get a 9 verified certificates for each 9 courses. So you can see a total 9 courses is given, you have to complete one by one, and for each courses you will get a certificate. And you can see how, what are the questions asked in the exam test. So all the questions are related to or based on the concept that course material cover. So friend, basically for getting this certificate, after each courses there is a MCQ based examination which you have to complete it and pass, then you will get the certificates. And if you have another questions also, then here are listed, you can check it. So friend, let's talk about the how you will do the registration. And friend, before going to the registration, if you are not subscribed our channel InfoRoshan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship notification, and technology related videos. So please subscribe InfoRoshan. It will help us to create a more and more content for you. So you can see here. First, you have to open the link which I have given in the video description box. And once you come to this interface, then you have to click on the subscribe. And once you click, then this type of right small window will pop up. And here you have to do the register. If you are already registered on the TCS ON, then you can directly log in using your email ID and password. If not, then you have to click on this register. And then you have to provide your name, your email ID. Then you can see your provide your number. Then you have to select the state. And friend, one of the very important thing, this course is available only for the Indian citizen. So you have to select the one of the state of the India. Then you have to select the category, and you have to create one password, and you have to review all these details, and you have to do the registration while clicking on the submit. And friend, once you submit, this course will add in your profile, from where you can easily access it via login and complete and get the certificates. And if you have any question, please comment on the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And please subscribe Info Roshan. Thank you.